Hey, I needed a microphone just for zooming and teaming and all that sort of thing, and I had lots of little dodgy 3.5mm plug-in ones, so I thought I would buy this one for $18 on eBay. Q splash screen. Critically, it's USB. So what do you get? You get a little spit mask. You get the little wand carrier that I'll pull out. You get the little anti-vibration mount, so that sort of absorbs all the vibration of the mic. You get a little stand that will, no doubt, screw into that. It looks like a weird sort of thread, maybe about 3/8, and that sits like there on your desktop. And you also get this mic. So it feels okay. It feels pretty weighty. You can just sort of see the mic in the end there. Clearly it's USB, and let's just feed this through here. You could probably do it the other way, but this is thinner, so I'm going the long way around, and poke that through like that, and there you go. That is your desktop microphone. So I think this goes on like that. Yeah, it looks like it does. Little locking thread like that. Doesn't seem too bad. And then little grub screw up the top there. And come on. And that is the assembly. The English manual looks, I don't know, looks alright. I'm not going to use it. It's a microphone. You just plug it in. And I'm also going to test it against my son's Air Blue, which is a big tennis ball mic, so we'll see how that goes. But look, it's sort of one hand width apart, so it's about 160, 170 mil long. Build quality, pretty good. Let's test it out. So this is my little rig here. This is the new mic that I've just bought for $17, and then this is an $80 Snowball Blue. So I'm going to plug this one in, and I'll do the same voice reading that I did before, and I'll make a bit of a comparison. This instruction manual is designed for general use. Before you read, please find part correspondence to your product type. Specific instructions will be given according to product types. No driver needed for plug and play. The light blinks during the USB connection, and the light turns on after the connection is successful. This instruction manual is designed for general use. Before you read, please find part correspondence to your product type. Specific instructions will be given according to product types. No driver needed for plug and play. The light blinks during the USB connection, and the light turns after the connection is successful. So all I'm doing now is I'm just doing a rotational test. So this is straight in front of the microphone. I'm just going to turn this around and just see what the off-angle performance is while I keep talking. So might get a bit of reflection off the screen. Unfortunately, the computer fans are humming in the background, but it's just to try and give an indication of what the pattern is like and whether it picks up behind or if it just picks up only in front. But look, generally I'm pretty happy with this compared to my son's $90 Ice Blue Snowball mic. It's not quite as clear when you listen to it. It's not quite as there's a little bit of audio hum that comes through this, basically. You know, it's a mic that is 3.5 times the price. So for $26 for a Zoom or Teams or video conferencing mic, this is absolutely perfect. I mean, this is the kind of thing that I was using, a little plug-in lapel mic, which is pretty rubbish. And this is what I use on my GoPro. Again, a little plug-in mic, which is surprisingly good and about the same sort of price. It's for 20 odd Australian dollars. So I wouldn't be using this for studio work because of the very low levels of hum, but it's perfectly fine for the odd video overlay and certainly very good for video conferencing. I think it's a winner.